welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit the bell icon so that you get notification as I upload my video. So guys, a few days back I just posted a Insta poll, and I asked which color food you want me to try, because it's been really long time and I was missing those challenges. So I got black and I got other colors also, but black was like really challenging. I wanted to do black, so that's the reason I chose black, mainly for that reason only. And yeah let's go and start with the break. So guys, I went out to just get few things in the grocery, and when I was taking this video it was on time lapse. I really didn't notice, so I tried to find things which is black and got this black gochujang chicken noodle, which was like really exciting. And then apart from that I got a few other things which were black in color, which I will show you slowly. I tried to see if I get some chips in black. Unfortunately I even didn't get. So after getting some things, not the tissue box, I went home and I made this dosa. So I added soya sauce in the dosa, and when I added it was black, as you can see, but when I started to mix it became like very dark brown. But then when I cooked it was again into black color, and I was really very scared what will be the taste, how will it be and all, but you will come to know how the taste actually was. Guys, here is my breakfast. Pretty blackish. I don't know how this is going to taste. I am like very scared. There is no side also. Let's just try. Oh, see, it's like black. Okay, let's just try and see. Guys, I'm like really very scared because like starting of the day I get to eat something like this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What? Little bit, I just dip it soy sauce. Guys, I thought this taste won't be good. It will be very bad. It will be really ugly and everything. But this is actually really good. And the crispiness. The dosa is also very crispy. This one is really good actually. It's good. Yum yum yum. I thought this will be really bad because of the soya taste, but yum. This is so good. My attire also is black because it's a black challenge. And yeah, now for the lunch I have bhaji. What do you say the bhaji in English? I don't know, but in Urdu we say ambade ki bhaji, which is my most favorite. So I asked my mom to make that because it's black in color. So what I'm going to do it, I'm just going to mix it with rice, and I'll show you how it looks, and we will have that for lunch. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's go and mix. Here is the bhaji rice. I'll just mix and show you. As you can see, it's actually bhaji which is in pure like the black color. Can you see? That's my daughter. So yeah, let's eat this. So yeah, let's have this rice. I was actually craving for it because it's my most favorite, like my most favorite. Bismillah. My god, thank you. I guess 2 or 3 people said black. Thank you so much for giving, because I got to eat this yummy food. But apart from that, I don't know what I'm going to do for. I have few things for snack and then dinner also I have planned. But yeah, let's see. So yeah, dessert, something sweet if I have, or else I'll meet you for snack. Yeah. So for the dessert, I had this yummy, delicious, dark and very rich chocolate cake, which was amazing. It is deadly delicious. I got it from Leela Palace. It was really amazing. Next video will be video from Leela Palace, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, it was really black in color and it was very yum, and I had that. For my lunch, I slept because it was a really yummy lunch. So these are the items which I bought morning in the shop. I forgot to show you. Let me show you what all I got. So two I got for my regular use, so not this, but then I bought this dark chocolate Oreo. I'll not have the cream, I'll not have the white cream, I'll have just the biscuit. I've got brownie, which is black, and I also got this Cadbury shorts. Dinner, I got arey yaar, I got this. So this is a kala, matlab this is a black noodle and it's written Squid Game. So it says spicy gochujang chicken. So can you see, it's a Korean noodle, I believe. It's a Korean noodle, I believe. But I have never tried, never heard, never saw any advertisement also of these kind of noodles. I don't know what, but this I'll be having in my dinner. So for now, I'm just wanting for some snacks. I wish I could have some black chips. I saw that, but the packaging was only black. It was not black. So let's have this first. I'll open this. Guys, blunder. This is not black. This is brown. I can't have this, guys. This is pakka brown. I can't have this. Open the dark chocolate. Wow, nice. Let me taste. Mmm, pakka dark chocolate, guys. Good one. Let's have Oreo. We'll not have the white one, and we'll have this biscuit alone. Kala biscuit. I'm not at all a fan of Oreo. I don't even like Oreo. Good. Brownie. I hope this is black. This is nowhere black. This is brown. I can't have. Just applied this one with this. Can you see? Great color. Hi guys. So yeah, let's go for the last meal of the day. So I had these Oreo biscuit, really good snack kind of a stuff. So now it is 10:20, so I am going to prepare the dinner. This one, the black noodle, I don't know, prepare this noodle. I don't know how it will be, but no matter what, I'll try to make this pure black and only then I'll eat. So my dinner. So overall, if you ask me what was I thought black challenge would be really very hard, but yeah, it was like pretty good. Like, it was not that hard, it was pretty good. So now the real challenge is with this. I'm planning to make this as well as the scrambled eggs. I think I'll skip with the scrambled eggs because it's a lot of heat. Like, I already got 2 pimples here, so I think I'll just go with this. Let's see. And this is the first time I'm going to try this. So yeah, let's go and cook. By the way, how to cook? Okay, it's like approx 3 waters in a pan. Add noodles, stir for 4 minutes. When noodles are done, add the entire seasoning and then cook for 1 more minute. But we have to make this into black. So हम कुछ भी करेंगे, we'll do everything to make this black. So first is our noodles, but we will also have our soya sauce to go with. Here, can you see? We have gochujang chicken seasoning. This is also like black, and we have the noodle and one more. Okay, we have only this. So yeah, let's just boil the noodles, guys. We have the water, we have the noodle, we have the seasoning, and we have the dark soya sauce. So the water is already boiling. Here's the thing, and I got very you guys, here is my chicken noodles. Oh my god, like legit black, pure black. So yeah, let's try. So guys, finally the dinner is ready. So guys, when I made the noodles and when I showed you, it is black, right? So the thing is actually black, but due to the excess of seasoning in this clip, the noodles looks like orange. But trust me, go back, if you don't believe, go back to the same clip where I cooked and where I mixed the soya sauce and when I showed you, it is actually black in color, but due to seasoning, after some time it became orange, but it was not. So this is just for the clarity. My god, I got so angry because I burnt my finger and it's still, like irritating me a lot. Anyways, so I'm having the final, oh god, mera phone. So I'm having the final meal of the day. Smell is not good. I am not liking the smell. But yeah, I've somehow managed to make it black. I should have not added the powder. I should have added the soya sauce, no, to it to be it more black. Anyways, let's just try having this. Bismillah. You. Guys, this is really not good. I can't eat. I'm getting this very different taste. I don't know how to even explain you. I'm getting this taste of some very bitter. The smell is also not really good because noodles are like preservative, no? Guys, I'm sorry, but I can't eat this. And I'm actually happy because I had a lot of snacks, so I was full. I was like really worried what I'll have for dinner, but then oh my god, but I think without this soya sauce, the normal spicing can be good, but with this, no, this is not good. But yeah, somehow I managed to make, and also I'm having the fourth bite. Even though it's so bitter and everything, I just. So, yes, guys, Alhamdulillah, I have finished my challenge. I have my Oreo, I'll just have a little bit. Oh, that was very little actually. Hmm. So yeah, Alhamdulillah, I have had my dinner, my breakfast, everything. I really thought this challenge is going to be really tough and like it's going to be very tough and all. But yeah, I somehow managed. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Do comment down and tell me which color food you want me to try or some other challenge which you want me to try. I will definitely do that. And also let me know how did you find this challenge. I actually thought it would be very difficult, but then it was like good for me. So yeah, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you with a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.